If you are the owner of a Yamaha Tenere 700 and you like to do some aggressive off-road riding, then the High Fender kit from Tusk is a must-have accessory. All right, everyone, thank you for checking in. Real quick, we want to give you a closer look at this High Fender kit from Tusk for the Yamaha Tenere 700. For us, if you've ever watched any of the dual sport adventure rides that we like to do, then you know that we don't stay on the pavement very long. We like to go out, find those dirt roads, and we do some pretty aggressive riding. And if that's the type of riding that you look to be doing on your Yamaha Tenere, then we would say that this High Fender kit is a must-have accessory for a couple reasons. One, we just think it looks better because it gives you the updated off-road front fender, and we have this in white and the Wisely blue option. But the other big factor is really safety. The stock fender on the Tenere sits really close to the front tire, and there's a couple issues with that. The first is that if you are doing some aggressive off-road riding, especially in muddy conditions, you can get mud and debris to pack up in between the tire and the front fender, and in some cases that can lock up your front tire, or it could possibly even break your front fender. And the issue with that is that the stock brake lines are connected to the stock front fender. So if you were to break the fender, you could possibly damage your brake lines, and that is something that you do not want to happen on your rides. So to fix those issues, to avoid all that headache, get the High Fender kit from Tusk. Now, what you're getting with this kit, you're getting your new fender. Again, you have the white or the Wisely blue option. You have a billet aluminum fender bracket that will come included. What's great about the install process, we have a great how-to video. It shows you step-by-step how to do it, but there is no modification or drilling needed to get this installed. And lastly, you will have a new crossover brake line that will come included. The stock crossover brake line just goes right over the fender. It's not long enough, so we give you a new one, and we show you how to route that, how to get everything installed once you pick up your kit. So make sure to give that how-to video a watch. But again, if you have a Yamaha Tenere, you're gonna be doing some aggressive off-road riding, or maybe you just like the looks of the High Fender kit and you wanna go for that, then you gotta pick one of these up. If you do have questions or comments, we wanna get those answered, so make sure to leave those below. To grab one of these, it's very simple. Click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. They're bike specific, so if you're watching this video, maybe you have a different bike, well, enter your bike's information to see if we have a High Fender kit for you as well. If you like this product spotlight and you want to see all the great adventure content that we have on the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, make sure to get subscribed and stay up to date. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.